ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमदाय कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य हे कृष्ण दीनबन्धो गोपेश गोपिका राधाकान्त तप्त कांचन राधे विष्णानुस्ते प्रणमामि श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। We have started Raya Ramananda Sambad since 15 days, and we have come up to Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavitar Priyatanti Jyoti. We have explained this. There are two kinds of bhakti, several kinds of bhakti. I have explained all, but Sarup Siddha Bhakti is one. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaran. Bhakti is one, but functions are like divided in 64, again divided into 9, again divided into 5, Sadhu Sangha, नाम भागवत स्मरण मथुरा वास श्री मूर्ति श्रद्धा सकल साधन श्रेष्ठ एक पंचंग कृष्ण प्रेम जन्माए अचे the prayojan, the ultimate goal is Krishna prema, not Krishna. Krishna prema. It is prayojan. Prayojan is goal of all bhakti. So, goal is one, that prema, Krishna prema. But when we practice it, then it is called sadhan bhakti, and after that bhav bhakti, and after that prema. As explained also, sadhan bhakti. Sadhan bhakti are of two kinds, Vaidhi bhakti and Raganga bhakti, or any epics like Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, any books of Srila Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, all follows Raganga. They want to take us all in the line of Raganga. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Malli Bhakti was there from ancient time, coming through 4 sampradaya: Sri Sampradaya, Madhva Sampradaya, Nimbaditya Sampradaya, and Sanak Sampradaya. After that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. he made bhakti into bhakti rush. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, anyone had not done this. Only bhakti was going on, like Vedic bhakti. And goal was to achieve Vaikuntha and to serve Lakshmi Narayana. Or to annihilating Brahma, Nirvishesh Brahma. That is Sai Mukti, salvation. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he cut out all the theories of Mayavad and he established Bhakti Rasa, and he especially ordered Rupa Goswami to explain what is Bhakti Rasa. He also told Raghunath Das Goswami how a bhakti can be transferred into Bhakti Rasa. So both that like show that Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami everywhere in end of the chapter he had written Rupa Raghunath Pade Jar Ash Chaitanya Chaitam Kahe Krishna Das. So bhakti are of two kinds. Sadhana, that is Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. There are very rare qualified for Raganuga Bhakti. Those who fear from death and birth, suffering and sorrow, and for this, for liberation of this, they can do bhakti, but that bhakti will be Vaidhi. And by past associated impressions, and now new impressions, having the company of bona fide Tattvavid, Tattvadarshi, Bhavuka and Rashi. And you can have new impression also. So mixing both, they can come in the line of Raganuga. They will begin from a ruchi. Whether there is initiation or not, for them, Diksha Purascharya not essential. Those who are coming now, beginning from them, for them it is essential. For Haridas Thakur, Rai Ramananda, Srivas Acharya, or like any, they don't require all these things. We don't know who was the Diksha Guru of Haridas Thakur. Even we don't know who was the Guru of Sarup Damodar, because he went to Kashi after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left his home. He went to Kashi, Varanasi, and he took Brahmacharya Ashram and something like Swarup, this Upadhi of Mayavadi. And when he heard that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has reached Puri, he left everything and came and joined his movement. And he was the first bona fide association of Chaitanya. So here we should not think that initiation is essential for them. Nothing from them. But for us it is essential. We will have to take. Someone are telling that we should think that Mahaprabhu is our Gurudev. Swamiji is our Gurudev. We don't want any Diksha. Without it. No, this kind. Let him do bona fide. Otherwise we cannot advance. Because we cannot follow the order of anyone. And we will be thus vagabond. Like hippies. So, here he is telling about Raganuga. He has told about Archan and all these bhaktis will lead us to Vaikuntha. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has not come for this. So Bhakti Rasa Bhavika, I explained yesterday. Mahaprabhu heard this and told that Yoha, this is also true. That is all right. Not all right, but right. But you should go ahead. He told that Dasya Prem is Sarvashadhyasat. Dasya Prem is Sarvashadhyasat. This is our goal. This is Sadhya. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, yes, it is all right, but here he has given a slok from Srimad Bhagavatam. Dasya Prem is bona fide. This is also some goal of some devotees. So he is telling here, Jannam Suti Matrena Kuman Bhavati Nirmala Tasya Tirtha Pada Kimba Dasanam Avashishya. He is telling that Dasya Prem is a haste goal. Radhamani. Because those who have left karma, karma jo, gyan, gyan jo, tapasya, all kinds of these things that are also left mukti, salvation, everything. And they have been mukt ho chuke, liberated. Then they can have the servant, they can be servant of Lakshmi Narayan. Other than they can. Annabhilashita Sunnam. There should be no worldly desires, sense gratifications. Nothing. Even for mukti, they have given up all these things. Like Ajamil, when he called his son Narayan, and he was dying at time, he called his boy, his son, but he was given grace. Oh, he has called me Narayan. Anyhow, this is Namabhas. He sent at once for Vishnu Duts, like Vishnu, four-handed, having chakra, Gada, Padma, Shankha and all. And they came. And they saved him from dying. There were so many things there. After that, he wanted to touch the feet of these four Vaishnavas. But at once they vanished. And he was anyhow saved from there. He thought that I have not called Narayan, but yet they have come and saved me from this day. So I should now chant Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Om Namo Narayan, Om Namo Narayan. So he left his home, everything, and went to Haridwar. And he was associated with Vaishnavas. He took bath in Ganges and sat down there, and very lovely and affectionately, as his Lord, began to chant. He has some anathas there. He has some, anatha, so many anathas. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has explained so well in his he was only saved from death, but not purification of heart was done there. So he went to Ganges, Haridwar, and he took bath, used to take daily bath, and to sit and chant very lovely Namo Narayana. After some days, everything went on. Sarupram went on. Desiring anything, everything. And thus he came in the stage of Bhavavastha. And then death came, and he took his fate on the head of death and became four-handed, and the same four king and king. So agraha mukti tabe sarvabandhanash, tabe se haite pare Shri Krishna. We cannot go directly to Vaikuntha. First, salvation will come, but not that kind of salvation. Salvation from death and birth, from all senses, sense gratifications and all of those things. And our heart will be pure, and we have some bhav, mood, and then prem, then we can go there. So he is telling, Jannam Shuti Matrena Kumanu Bhoti Nirmala Tasya Tirth Pada Kimba Dashanam Oshishyate. Those who are impure, having so many things, but hearing the name of that persons, like Sukadeva Goswami, Vyas, Sarup Damodar, Rai Ramanand, and all the servants of Krishna or Ram or Narayan. A man can be purified. His heart can be purified by only hearing the name of that person. Tathatissapada kimba dasanam. So the Das, the servants of the Krishna or Ram or Narayan, are of so high level. So nothing remains if anyone becomes the Das of Prabhu. So it is a very high post. Bhavantam, in Srimad Bhagavatam, it has been told for that class of servant of Krishna who are serving Krishna in Dasya Ras. What is Dasya Ras? He is Prabhu and myself, a very low, insignificant person, like this. So many services, like Hanuman, he can what? Massage the lotus feet of Hanuman. He can bring so many fruits for Ram. If needed, he can take Ram, Lakshman on his shoulders and fly away miles and miles, lakh miles he can go. He can go to Lanka and he will burn Lanka into ashes. So many kinds of services. Like once when Ramchandra returned to Ayodhya, he was serving Ram all the day and night. Sita Devi, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugna, they all became worried that he is doing service all time and we have no time to serve Ram. So we should make a plan that we should divide all the services of Ram day and night in 4, and we should try to take one and we should serve Ram whole day and night. So that took 8 hours each. 8 hours served Srimati Sita Devi in night. In morning Lakshman, after that Bharat, after that Shatrugna, likewise. So Hanuman now has no service to do. Willingly it was done. Hanuman went to the fore and took the dust of lotus feet of them and prayed that I cannot leave, I will die at once now, this time, if you will not give me any service of now. So let me give very little, but yet service should be given to me, because my life and soul and everything is my service up to now. They all consulted each other, and then in final they gave one service, that when Ramchandra will take more yawning, like when a person is tired, then he does like this. So when Ramchandra will do like this, yawning, then he should do like this in Indian system. You know? Eat animal. Then he eat it. Why? This is ignorance. And also it is so, because we don't like to hear this. So, if we have no test, then it will come. Surely it will come. And she will call her mother, sleep. So, they get this service. They knew that Ramchandra had never like this. He will not tired, he will not be lazy, and he will not do this. So this should be given. Hanuman became so happy that I have some service. He sat on the gate of Ram outside, and they were servicing all. He began to do like this. And Ramchandra began to take yawn. Always day and night he was doing. And Ramchandra began to do like this. How? So they could not serve a single moment. They took the dish of Mahaprasadam, but he was doing like. Again doing that like this. And Hanuman was doing. They used to give him a glass of water. But Ramchandra cannot, because he was doing and he was yawning. So day and night he was doing. They became so worried. They went to Hanuman. Why you were doing so? He told that you have given me to serve Ram by this. I don't know when he will take yawn. So I am doing that. When he will do, I don't know. So I am doing so. They went to Ram. What to do? Then Ramchandra told that, do you want to kill me? He is doing all this thing. I cannot take rest anything. I cannot take water and anything. So you should give him any service. Otherwise, I will die and you will all die. Go to Hanuman. They went there and told that, oh Prabhu, you should be very kind to me and give him. Take this whole service and remaining, if you want, then we will serve. Otherwise, you will have to serve. Because Ram is not so happy by our service. He is happy only to have your service. So Hanuman is like so. Always serving him. So Ram always is happy too. So we should be like this. Not like Sevak. Sevak. What means?
Crane without
Crane.
the sail.
3 let us in Seva. Those who know the words of Gurudev, Vaishnavas, or Krishna, without ordering them, they make that service from before, without ordering, without anything. They will see Gurudev is coming from outside. Lips are shrunk. You must want water. They will take water. According to season, hot or cold water. What he likes, water or any juice. He wants fan or he wants what? He is so hungry and he is so thirsty, and he came. Oh, we arranged madhu parka, madhu, milk, ghee, and sugar, honey, and 1 kilo everything. Guru wanted to take some water and to have a fan, but they told that, oh, we will do first your archan. And they began to do archan for hours. I will die, you should give me water. Let me do all these things first. This is not service. We should try to know what is mood, what he wants, without any order. Then he is really a sevak. This will make. Let's a sevak like. And if you want to more or more than them, then go to Braja. They are not only Shuddha Seva, Shuddha means pure Seva. They are mixed with Sakha Bhav, Sakha Ras. They will see and know what service he needs. They will do at once, more than superior than Hanuman. So these are Sevaks. They are liberated. Whether they are in this world or that world, anywhere. Like Swamiji knew that my Gurudev, my Holy Master wants that everywhere Krishna Nam should be preached in whole world. This is the message of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And everywhere this the prem should be preached. So he knew that his Holy Master wanted that everywhere this prem and this name, holy name of Krishna, Hare Krishna, should be preached all over. He did not try to message Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Oh, I will not go, I will. Lakhs time more superior that. Oh, I will took always you prepare. I will not leave you. When you will go to work, he was telling, oh, I will be near at time and getting pushing all others. I will be. And take a photo, I will give you for that. I am working with Prabhu with sticks. These are not. Without walk up, without saw. Understand? Without saw. So this. After that, if anyone knows the modes of his Gurudev, Holy Master, Krishna and Vaishnava, they can have serve more and more superiorly. Not outwardly, these are outwardly those who are bhakta. Also some kinds of sevak. You will order, oh, bring 1 glass of water. They will go, or anything, and they are second class. First, knowing, no ordering, nothing. They will do what he wants. And by order they will carry the order. They are of second class. And thirds are, Gurudev told that go to England and preach there. And he at once came direct to where? New
Vrindavan.
Vrindavan. He told what, and he told another thing. He will tell, I will go, but if I will not meet that person to whom I will have to tell this thing, Gurudev told that you should go in that. Gurudev, if it is not comfortable for me and helpful for me, then what should I do? First you should go and see there. Gurudev, if I will go and I will fall ill, then what will be done? What to do? If you are questioning, I am telling you to go. You are telling I am knowing, and I am ready to carry your orders. But I am only simply asking you that if I will go and I will be so much cold having, and I will be ill, then what to do? These sevaks are like walker, foolish. They cannot carry. They know that this body is myself. And Prabhupada is. Prabhupada or any Vaishnava has no like bona fide, like Krishna. No difference in possession and possession. Krishna, everything is possession and possession. But they cannot. So here he is telling that Bhavantam ev ancharantam nirantaram. I want to serve a devotee like that. Hanuman and more than that in pressure. Rakta, Piktra. They love Krishna, though they are the servant of Nanda Maharaj. But they know that Krishna is my son. And they take Krishna in their laps and they begin to kiss. They kiss Krishna. And they can give their hearts and heads for Krishna. Everything. They know all the modes when he takes food, when he takes milk, when he takes butter, when he takes what thing. And when he wants to go in Vrindavan here and there, they know everything. So, prashantamanishi ashesh manorathantarah annabhilasita sunnatiyah. They don't want anything for themselves. You know Daruk? Who was Daruk? He was Das of Krishna. Not of Vrindavan, but he was of Dwarka. Not superior like, but yet he was Das, bona fide Das. Once he was taking fan in hot days and he was finding Krishna. He saw Krishna so happy and so beautiful. He saw at once fan came out from his hand and dropped in earth. He at once began to sigh. Dhikma, Dhikma. Five means. Five means? Five only. Why? I get so much sinking in Ananda Rasa for me, and I lose the time for finding Krishna. So five only. Why I did so? For a moment, the fan was not in his hand and he couldn't. So it is for me my fault. So any Shiva will not do anything for themselves. Gopis were dressing themselves in a very good way. Getting flowers here, having garland, taking so many ornaments. Very big kajal to this. Big eyes, very crooked eyes, very lovely and charming eyes of gopis. And upon this they were also doing very good kajal. Why they are doing? Not to decorate themselves, to make Krishna please. So a sadhak, a das should be like this. He is going to stool, but for why? Not for themselves. Stool? Not for them. They sleep as we sleep, but they don't sleep like us. They sleep for Krishna. They are going to stool, washing away all these things for Krishna. They are taking breath for Krishna. Everything, anywhere going for Krishna. How? It is possible. It is possible for us. We should get up in the morning and do all these things. That, after that, we can chant more, chant and remember Krishna more, very happily, without any disturbance. So I must say something. Like gopis. If you are so happy, gopis are thinking, if you are so happy and very beautiful, then Krishna will be so happy. And if you are not happy, then Krishna will be unhappy. So this must be happy. And seeing this, Krishna says that, oh, if I am happy, gopis are happy. And if I am not happy, then gopis. So I must be happy. Contest. So this is the most of Dasya Bhava. Prabhu kahe और आगे कहा, oh, you are telling very bona fide things, good. But even you will have to go some more. Why? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, there is a very big vow and very high vow between Prabhu and Das, and that is Aishwarya Bhava. That is Supreme Personality of Godhead, and I am very little Das. So Hanuman cannot take Ram, embrace. He cannot embrace Ram. He cannot Krishna Ram. Hanuman cannot. The servant of Braja, they can kiss. They can embrace Krishna also. But even there is a vow of opulence. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to bring this vow down and throw out. That two hearts could meet. Even not a very lean and thin wall should be there. Of a paper also. Nothing should be there. So he told that in Dasharas there is a wall, very big wall and long and high. They cannot sit on the same asana on which Ram is sitting. They cannot take any grass. What name? In the same plate, Ram and Hanuman. They cannot sleep and sit on the same asana or bed. Because he knows that. And he fears that offense will be done if I am doing so. So Mahaprabhu told that. Oh, go on. Then he told, Rai kahe Sakha Prem Sarvasat Dasar. Sakha Prem is more superior than this thing. And it is Sarvasat Dasar. This is the more. What?
Essence.
Essence of all. And this is Sadha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also rephrased it and he told that it is Sadha. But you should go. Then he told Sakha Prem Sarvasat Dasar. I will explain it to you. Evening, because time is wonderful. So we should be satisfied by hearing only Dasharas and we will explain Even from 7 to 8. You should try to come here at 7. Because from 8 to 9 it disturbs me. So you should come just some minutes before than 7, and we will have kirtan, very sundar, very beautiful kirtan, as we do today. And after that I will explain these things. Gautama Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam
नारायण महाराज की जय। विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य श्री श्रीमद् शिल भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की जय। विष्णुपाद जय विष्णुपाद श्री श्रील गौरकिशोर दास गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। विष्णुपाद श्री श्रील सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। विष्णुपाद श्री श्रील वैष्णव सार्वभौम जगन्नाथ दास बाबूजी महाराज की पूज्यपाद श्री श्रील गौर गोविंद महाराज की श्री रूपनुगा गुरु वार्गा की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नमाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री अंतर्द्वीप मायापुर सीमंत द्वीप गोद्रुन द्वीप मध्य द्वीप खोल द्वीप पृथु द्वीप जन द्वीप मोद्रुन द्वीप रुद्र द्वीपात्मक श्री श्री नवद्वीप धाम की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपी गो गोवर्धन द्वादश वनात्मक श्री ब्रज मंडल की जय। द्वादश उपावन की जय। श्री श्याम कुंद राधा कुंद जमुना गंग तुलसी भक्ति देवी की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। समागत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। गो प्रेमानंदे।
All glories to
All glory to the assembled devotees. All glory to the assembled devotees. All glory to the assembled devotees. All glory to Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga.